My people, I hail una. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama latest story for Naija and obodo oyibo. Yans as e dey pan for we street, parable as dem we forefathers dem dey talk am. Tori as e dey blow for different corner of the world. Pata. My name na Roro Pataya 20 km. The news sabi news. Una welcome to Pidgin News Network World News. Na condition make crayfish bend, na so we people talk am. Na coronavirus make us to do Easter online. Easter na celebration of victory, life over death. We dey like to do am together, dance together, and praise God together. Do Station of the Cross together and tell God, Baba God, we thank you. But this time na online. Wetin we go do? Now for St. Peter's Basilica for Rome, wey dey take over 100,000 people for this celebration. This time around nko na shinkini people dey there. The Pope dey there with shinkini people, and then other people dey online dey watch. For different countries wey people go dey do church, dem arrest dem pursue the people throway, dem carry the pastor go and dem lock the church. Bam! Na by force dem go make people hear. Who no hear go see koro wahala. The Prime Minister of Britain, Oga Boris Johnson, don comot for hospital. Dem say e don well. Dem say make e go house, make e go well, finish. New York don get more people wey get koro pass any single country in the world. They don get over 100,000 people wey get koro. Na wow, koro just dey waka dey go. But the good news be say the people wey dey get am and people wey dey comot for hospital don dey grow for number across the world.
I have now approved major disaster declarations for New York.
All this one wey I dey talk so na big wahala for America, because all the states for America they don put them under disaster declaration alert. That is to say, katakata dey everywhere there, so make dem stay house because of koro. African people for China nko, they don talk o. Dem talk say China still dey do xenophobia, the one wey we call discrimination and racism. Say we be black people, they don dey comot us for we house. They no gree us enter hotel, they come make us homeless. They test us, they come dey quarantine us by force for Guangzhou province. This no good. The whole world don tell China say why. African Union don tell China stop am. Why una dey treat our people like this? China na im start from. Now they wan turn am to black man problem. We no go gree. Sam. My people, make una shine una eye o. Now make we come catapult ourselves enter Naija. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Onyema, talk say Naija people wey dey for obodo oyibo wey wan come back Naija because of the koro, make dem carry money, make dem hold am for hand. Na who get money dem go carry come back. Na so dem talk am o. Federal Ministry of Education talk say dem never make any announcement say make school open o. All school go remain closed. Lockdown remain for school. Some are crying, some are celebrating. Na so life be. As federal government and other countries where they produce oil across the world, they cry say the price of oil dey go down. Na so Naija people wey dey for road dey jubilate say the price dey come down. They even talk say, that is to say, marketers of oil talk say the thing go soon fall by 8 naira from the 125 naira wey dem dey buy am now. Edo State don set up mobile court to arrest and try anybody wey disobey the Edo State Dangerous Infectious Disease Regulation 2020. As people dey stay house, na so some people come carry the opportunity, wan begin rob people.
It's gotten so bad now. This man was just driving with foodstuffs on the road, you know, and he got attacked. You can see that. He was going to make a supplies. He got attacked. On a broad daylight, they blocked him.
Robbers don full everywhere for Lagos and Ogun State. My people, una get to open una eye, shine una eye well, because for different areas for Lagos and Ogun, people don dey rob. For Agege, area boys wey dem dey call Awawa boys don enter road dey cause katakata dey thief. This koro time no be thief time o. Armed robbers stay for house make people wey don dey vex no catch you, because if they catch you before police come, dem fit burn you with tire. That na -1 for your family. So thief, stay at home as everybody. This time na to unite and fight together, no be for you to dey thief. Stop the thieving.
You still dey waste customer when they say make everybody sit down.
You will sit down house, you never eat food. You can't sit down house, you never eat food now. You know that hungry pass that coronavirus.
No, I don't know.
Hungry pass coronavirus. Because let me tell you one thing. If government say everybody sit down at house to 2 weeks, you never see anything. The thing when they will happen fast this coronavirus.
My people, for this corona era, people heartbeat don dey jump up, dey beat like talking drum. Mental issue fit rise o. Na im dem talk say make people take care of themselves well, because people dey think well so that their people no go kpai, so that dem no go get corona. So everybody dey fear and hypertension dey go up. So the medical sabinus don talk say make we dey careful. They come give us 5 tips of things wey we go dey do to take stop this katakata. Number 1, they say make we be careful. Make we no read and believe all the news wey we see for social media. Make we comot our mind for fake news. Make we create timetable to take check news and know wetin dey go around for the world. Make we no carry bad news keep for head o. Make we no carry dey watch news all day come carry problem put for our head o. My people, no let bad news go pass your mind. E dey cause gbege, abeg. 2 nko, that is number 2. Make you take care of yourself well. Eat better food, sleep well, and make you no do bad things. Number 3 wey we wan talk about be say make you try relax your body and your head. Like say make you read book, make you do cooking, make you do handwork like drawing, painting, singing, plait hair, do different things, draw, and also relax with other things. Number 4, make you keep in touch with your family and friends. Social distancing no be social isolation. Social isolation na when you no gree call or chat with your people. Abeg, chat with your people, call them for phone, do video call, so that una go encourage una sef for this corona time. Number 5 and final, make you take a deep breath. In, out. Give yourself space and do exercise well. Do meditation wey oyibo dey call yoga. Make you dey fit well and make you pray all the time. If anything dey worry you, abeg call doctor. All this na so medical sabinus for the Center of Mindfulness, the Stanford Institute and Compassionate Institute for San Diego for America talk. My people, abeg make we join hand fight koro. Make we wash our hands well. No shake hands with people, no hug people. Do social distancing. Abeg make this koro matter for go. Help those wey no get and use sanitizer well. We go dey sambalidate una with terrible news as e dey come. This na Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama una with news as e dey come. I hail una. Bakam. My people, make we laugh small.